Do you want to accept Bitcoin Cash on your WHMCS e-commerce site? Well, thankfully, it's really easy. I'm over here on this WHMCS store, and I want to buy this product using Bitcoin Cash. I'm going to go ahead and order it, and then check out, and enter in all my details. Then complete the order, and you can see that I've got the Bitcoin Cash option right here. I'm going to click on it, and then I can send this amount of Bitcoin Cash to this address, or to this QR code. It's that easy to do it. But how can you include this onto your WHMCS e-commerce store? It's actually quite easy to accept Bitcoin Cash on your WHMCS e-commerce shop. You can do it using the Blockonomics Bitcoin payment plugin. But before we get started, I just want to remind you to like and subscribe. We've got a lot of great videos coming out for all about Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and e-commerce. Thank you. So I'm over here on my WHMCS website, and I have already set up the Blockonomics Bitcoin payment plugin. You have to do this before you can set up it for Bitcoin Cash. If you haven't already done that, please check out the link below or at the end of the video. And once you've installed the Bitcoin plugin, you can click the checkbox on Bitcoin Cash and then click Save Changes. Then head over to the Blockonomics website, and you'll go over to Bitcoin Cash. Head over to Merchants, and make sure that you enter in your wallet XPub from a Bitcoin Cash wallet. If you've already set up your Bitcoin account, which you should have already done, then you should already know how to do this, but make sure it's your Bitcoin Cash wallet. When you got that XPub, paste it in here, and click Go. Then head over to WHMCS, and take this callback URL, the callback URL right here, copy the full thing, go back over to Blockonomics, paste it in here, and then click on Save Changes. Then head back over to WHMCS, click on Test Setup, and there you go. You've got the Bitcoin Cash all set up to be accepted on your WHMCS e-commerce website. Thanks for watching, and I hope you tune in for another video.